Configuring your overall chart calculations is quite simple. So again, if I'm going back to the native information part, this is where I'm putting in my birth data. You'll notice here there'll be this little settings wheel. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on it. And I have the option here of selecting different Ayanamshas. Now, currently, True Chitra Paksha there, Lahiri is there, True Revati is there, True Pushya, Raman, and Ushashashi is available. You could also put in a Ayanamsha difference if you had a degree that you preferred. You can configure whether you want mean or true nodes. Um, The Upagrahas, this is more for determining how the Upagrahas are calculated, Gulika and Mandi, and some people use the 7 Karaka scheme, some people use the 8 for natal astrology, and so you have the ability to toggle that as well. Also, you can set your language preference. So currently there are only 3 languages available, but that is how you can configure that.